Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is the second tutorial of our calligraphy series, and in this video we learn how to make calligraphy borders. First we will start with making horizontal lines. You can also say dotted lines. Now the second border is a dotted line and a diamond. You can also, in calligraphy, this is also known as a dot. So a dotted line and a dot, a dotted line and a dot. Now the third border is the extension of the second one. Now we'll start with two dotted lines. Sorry, two dots and a line. Then again two dots and a line. Now for fourth one you will require a normal ball pen. So I have made three dots and a small dot with a ball pen. Then again I'm making three dots and again I'm making a small dot with a ball pen, and you can continue like that. Next one I am making a O or a 0, and again I'll join it with the help of a line. So this is also known as a chain border. The sixth one is a curve and a dot, a curve and then again a dot. The seventh one I am making 5 dots, just like we have seen the arrangement of these dots in a dice. The same way I am making 5 dots and a curve. Now this is the slant stroke, but a continuous one. So like this also you can make one border. So guys, that's it for today's session. Hope you like this video as well. Do let me know in the comment section below what else would you like to see on my channel. All your suggestions, queries, everything are welcome. You can anytime comment and let me know. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and till then, till the next video, bye bye.